What's up, guys? Charles here. With Amazon Prime Day 2025 launching on July 8th, desktop PC deals are already live, covering everything from high-end gaming rigs and sleek all-in-ones to everyday mainstream desktops. These steep discounts are exclusive to Prime members, so if you're not subscribed yet, hit our link for a free trial. Ready to level up? Let's dive into the best gaming PC deals. Number 1. The budget-friendly Skitec Shadow is a solid deal at $100 off on Amazon with the included coupon. The Core i5-13400F CPU and RTX 5060 GPU combo will have you running good frame rates at 1080p for most games. And it also comes with a generous 1TB of SSD storage to locally store your game library. Number 2. Best overall, Skitec King. 95, featuring AMD's next-gen Ryzen 7 9700X, which delivers gaming performance on par with the Core i9-14900K and outpaces the Core i7-14700K. It's paired with an RTX 5070 and a hefty 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. Number 3, the Skitec O11 Vision, powered by the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, is an exceptional choice for high-end gaming. This CPU is built for peak frame rates and elite performance, an easy recommendation for any serious gamer. Paired with the RX 9070XT 16GB, it delivers outstanding mainstream performance at a competitive price point. Thanks to the RDNA4 architecture, you get major gains in AI and ray tracing capabilities without compromising traditional rasterization. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this rig is ready for anything, from AAA gaming to demanding multitasking. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming. And as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.